Okay, so I bought 3 units of Google Wi-Fi. That will be great in my huge house, because then I will have full connection everywhere and full speed, hopefully. We will see how good Google Wi-Fi is for me. I have 500 megabit per second up and down. So hopefully this could help to get better speed in all my rooms. Okay, so let's unbox this. With just one hand. In my earlier videos I always did unboxing this way, with one hand holding the phone with the other. Nowadays I have a studio I usually do my unboxing in, but with a bit larger packaging I usually don't do that in the studio, but like this instead. So bear with me. Okay, let's see how we open this box. Hold on. It was a bit tough to take that cover off. And here we have some tape. Whoa. Here they are. 3 beautiful units. Really nice. Love that. So 3 units. One should be my new router, and the other 2 will be mesh units in the other rooms. So what's more in the box? A startup guide and power cables, startup guide, and power cable and startup guide. So I think that's what's in the box. Power cable. It should be a net. It should be a network cable too, I have read, so that's strange. Oh, here it is. Here it is. Here we have the network cable. A flat one. Nice. So that's what's in the box. Neat. Okay, so I will set this up, and eventually I will do a video after this when I have used these Google Wi-Fi units for a while, and see how good they are. Okay, bye.